If you want to quickly switch the default language inside CapCut on your PC, you can change the entire user interface with just a few clicks. Whether you install the software in the wrong language or simply prefer working in a different one, updating this preference only takes a few seconds. Start by opening up the CapCut desktop application on your computer. Once you are on the main home screen or inside an active project, look up at the top left corner of your screen. Click on the menu option located right on that top bar. A drop-down menu will appear with several choices. Scroll down to where it says Settings and click on that option to open your project preferences. Inside the Settings window, you will notice a row of tabs along the top. You have Draft, Edit, Performance, Language. Click directly on Language. This will reveal a full list of all available interface languages built right into the program. While CapCut does not support every single language on the planet yet, most major global options are listed right here. Scroll down through the menu until you locate the specific language you want to use. The important thing is to make sure you actually click on the language name, so a small check mark appears right next to it. In my case, I'm going to select English, but you can choose whatever fits your workflow best. Now, there is a small catch to keep in mind here. When you change your application language, all system menus, buttons, and settings labels will update immediately. But CapCut will not automatically translate any text elements, subtitles, or titles you have already added into your current timeline draft. Changing the app language only changes the software interface itself, not the creative content inside your existing video project. Once you have your desired language checked, navigate down to the bottom right corner of the window and click on the blue Save button to confirm your choice. CapCut will immediately apply the new preference, or it may ask to restart the application to fully load the new language assets. Click Confirm if a pop-up appears, and the interface will reload in your selected language instantly.